Today we're gonna bring two sponges. When you buy one, you get two. We got a pink one and a blue one. Now, just to let you guys know, it says baby painless. So these are supposed to be really smooth enough for a baby that we're actually gonna use it for a facial. So we're gonna wash our face. We're gonna have somebody wash their face with this and open it up. And these are perfect. They're supposed to soak up a lot of the moisture, a lot of the actual soap. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Let's take a look. All right, just to let you guys know, they have a little moisture to begin with once you open them up from the package. But my recommendation is run them a couple times through water so any kind of dust particles that were in the packaging won't get involved. So because we're gonna put it in our face, we need to keep washing this and just drying out and rinsing it out until we see that we're properly ready to use, and then we'll start using it. So. And then at the end, we'll turn it off. So you can always hang it by your soap at the end of the day. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.